Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. This is Saloni and welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna do a makeup challenge and that is called 1 minute makeup versus 1 hour makeup. So the challenge is quite easy to understand. पहले मुझे 1 minute मिलेगा मेरा makeup करने and then I'll have 1 hour to do my makeup. So yeah, let's see कैसे होता है. I guess I'll keep all my products ready. If it's not cheating then let's see. So yeah. I've kept all my products ready here and I have my stopwatch ready here, so I'm not ready for this. Let's sip on some tea. And okay, I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, so we start our timer. No. So we'll start our timer. Shit, I'm scared. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Okay, go. Oh shit, it's already 35 seconds. Okay, what's the time? Yeah, done. Okay, so here's our final look. Okay, but it's not bad actually. अगर blush थोड़ा सा blend कर दे तो चल जाएगा. I can go out like this unless and until my eyebrows are done. Okay, so I've tied my hair in a ponytail ताकि बाल बीच में ना आए, वरना मेरे बाल में तो फाउंडेशन कंसीलर ऐसे ही मिल जाता है. And we have 1 hour to do our makeup. Easy peasy, we'll do it. And yeah, टाइमर स्टार्ट हो गया and we'll see कौन सा लुक करना है, ग्लैम लुक करना है या नो मेकअप लुक, देखते हैं जैसे होता है. So I'll start with my concealer first, LA Girl Pro Conceal. And okay, so also आज का वीडियो काफ़ी चिल वीडियो है, ना ही कुछ बैकड्रॉप है, ना ही इतनी फैंसी लाइटिंग या कुछ है, बिकॉज काफ़ी आज का वीडियो काफ़ी चिल है बिकॉज मतलब ना ही कोई बैकड्रॉप है, ना ही कोई फैंसी लाइटिंग है. आई वॉन्टेड इट टू बी अ चिल वीडियो, ऐसे ही बैठे बैठे, इसलिए मैंने ना ही कुछ किया है. सो इट्स ओके राइट, मतलब ठीक है. I wanted to make it clear for you guys that I have my YouTube videos idea ready. Like मेरे पास 8 ideas ready है, but I might not be able to create content for next sometime, at least a month, December तक, because my exams are gonna be there. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि एग्ज़ाम्स डिफ़िकल्ट है या कुछ है, बट आई नीड टू स्टडी. सो आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू क्रिएट कंटेंट. जितना हो सके उतना तो मैं कर ही लूँगी, बट इफ़ आई एम नॉट एबल टू क्रिएट एनी कंटेंट, प्लीज़ डोंट माइंड. Our concealer is done and now I'm gonna take this foundation by Simera and I'm in the shade Natural Shell. Yeah, so I'll just fast forward everything because you guys don't want to see that. And also do let me know what series are you watching right now, like your current favorite series on Amazon or Netflix or anything. I'll try to watch it after my exams. Do let me know in the comments down below so that मैं भी देख सकूँ. We look a little white right now, don't worry, we'll fix that. So I'm gonna use this कॉन्टोर शेड जो मेरे पास है, जो दिखाने के लायक नहीं है, इसलिए मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगी, काफ़ी टूट गया है सो ओके नाइस, इट्स स्टिल वर्किंग। ज़्यादा हो गया, ओके नेवर माइंड। Okay, so now I'll take this small brush and take the same contour shade and contour my nose. I have a small hack for the nose contouring. Like if you mess up your nose contouring just like me, then you can try this. It works for me, might work for you as well. So what I do is I take my concealer after I contour my nose. I take my concealer and apply a bit on the middle of the nose, just thoda sa, and I just blend it with my fingers. Yeah, there you go. So I always try this hack because मैं अपना nose contour हमेशा बिगाड़ देती हूँ. I don't know how to contour my nose yet. So that's there, you can try it too. And now we'll bake our face. So personally I'm not a big fan of baking, but I have to set my base. So I do it very हल्के से, like इतना harsh baking नहीं. एंड ऑल्सो वी आर गोना डू अ हैवी लुक टुडे. इसको बेकिंग इंपॉर्टेंट है ताकि फॉल आउट हो तो वो निकल जाए. I'm gonna put some more powder under my eyes because हम हैवी लुक करने वाले हैं तो उसका फॉल आउट भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा होगा. So I'll put some more powder under my eyes. Okay, I guess that's it. So let's start now. By the way, we have 49 minutes remaining, so we have अच्छा खासा time. So let's get started. So I'm gonna take some concealer and we have to do our brows first. I'm sorry. So we have to do our brows first. So and as you all can see, my brows are naturally very bushy, so I'm not gonna fill in my brows. I'll just give them a nice shape ऊपर ऊपर से. Yeah, so we'll clean our brows now. I'm gonna take this flat brush right here and clean my brows, like not clean exactly, but yeah, I don't know what to. Okay, so personally I used to skip this step, like cleaning my brows with a concealer, but when I actually started doing it, it did make a big difference. So okay, so we still have 42 minutes left, so I'm gonna take my time to blend everything and do everything. I am thinking I'll do this Instagram baddie soft look, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna need only one eyeshadow for this look. It's very simple, it's very easy. So I'm gonna use this shade right here, and I'll apply it on the outer side of my eyelid. I'm not gonna cover the whole eyelid, I'm just gonna apply it on the outer side of my eyelid. And I'm gonna do the same thing here ताकि कोई अलग अलग चीज़ें ना आए, चीज़ें ऐसे न अलग अलग लुक ना आए. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Yeah. Okay, so first I'll take this fluffy brush right here and try to remove this. वो भी हल्के से, कुछ गाय नहीं करना है. Okay. Just apply some concealer where you want to clean it and take your finger and blend it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shade right here. It's a nude glittery shade, if you all can see, and apply it all over my eyelid except for the blue. And try to blend it with the blue. Now I'm gonna take the same brush. I'm not gonna dip it into the color. I'll take the same brush, जितना भी brush पे बचा है, I'll take it and blend it with the glitter. Again, I'm not gonna take any new. I'm not gonna dip it in the color. जो जितना भी ब्रश पे बचा है मैं उतना ही लेके इसमें blend कर दूँगी. So it's time for eyeliner now, and I'm gonna do a nice wing eyeliner. Also, do let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see a tutorial on winged eyeliner. I'll do that too. And I want this tip to be more pointy, so I'm gonna extend the line. Yeah, perfect. So our eyeliner is done too, and I'll let my eyeliner dry, and tab tak I'll show you one mascara hack. I showed it to my friends too, because so since I don't like to apply falsies, I tried this mascara hack and it works well for me. Might work well for you as well. So let's see. I'll let this dry and get back to you guys. So what I do is I have my old eyeliner bottle. इसमें थोड़ा सा product है, एकदम थोड़ा सा, and my mascara is almost dried out. So what I'll do is I'll dip the spoolie in my eyeliner bottle and I'll just do that, and I'll apply it all over my lashes. Also I'm gonna apply it ऊपर से भी ऐसे. It just adds more volume to your eyelashes, and then again ऐसे. For blush, I'm gonna take this and this shade right here. I'll mix both the shade and don't care what you say to me, I'ma bite you. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this shade right here and use it as my highlighter, and I'm gonna apply some on, and I'm gonna apply it on the tip of my nose like this, and on the bridge. I guess this is called bridge, yes. So guys, one hack, just create an exclamatory mark like this, line and dot for your nose. Don't care what you say to me, I'ma bite your feelings out. Let's see, अपने पास कितना टाइम बाकी है. Oh, we still have 28 minutes left. अपने पास काफ़ी टाइम है. So let's use it too. And okay, so now I'm gonna take this brush, like this small brush right here, and take the same blue and apply it on my inner corners. This colorful inner corner thing is all over the Pinterest. मैं इतना देखती हूँ ये Pinterest पे. And also I've tried some colorful inner corner thing before too. I'll post some pictures if I have any. I love it. I love to experiment with colors. Also, this look is so trendy on Instagram. Like the colorful inner corner thing is so trendy on Instagram. So it's time for lipstick now, and for lipstick I'll first apply this brown lip pencil, and I'm kind of overlining my lips. And now I'm gonna take this nude shade from L18, and it's in the shade Nude Fix N51. We are almost done now, like और कुछ बाकी नहीं है, and we still have 22 minutes left, but कुछ है नहीं करने, so देखते हैं अगर कुछ बाकी रह गया तो वो कर लेते हैं. So that's it for 1 hour makeup look, and this is the final look. I love this look and yeah, it's very easy. आपने देखा मैंने सिर्फ एक आई शेडो यूज़ किया है, like glitter आई शेडो यूज़ किया, and that's it. So this look is very trendy on Instagram, and the colorful inner corner thing is all over the Pinterest. You can check it out. So if you're in a mood to click your pictures, click some self portraits, you can try this look with some different colors too. एंड आई गेस पिंक या पर्पल ये लुक के साथ बहुत क्यूट लगेगा. यू कैन ट्राई इट टू एंड डू लेट मी नो इफ यू ट्राई दिस लुक. So that's it for today's video. Do give it a like, comment down below what do you guys want to see next. If you haven't subscribed already, click the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, and yeah, till then, take care. Bye.